Hey guys, Natasha with the 1407 Planners, and I am normally go on our Facebook group, the 1407ers, and go live, but this week I decided I would film this as a video to try something different. I think it'll be fun. I am going to switch out of this planner, which is my B6 that we did at Planner Jam, and switch into this one because I feel like the purple and tones go with the kit for Halloween that I'm gonna set up with. So this goes on sale September 6th, and we are going to set up a planner with it because I feel like it matches. And this planner cover is from our new company, Tula 12, tulaxii.com, and it's the same make, feel, and quality of the ones that we did for Planner Jam. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna take everything out of this one. Probably in somewhat of a mess. I'm gonna make a new dash sleeve. Let's just do that and move the rest later. So let's see, in this kit we have some papers. Oops. I gotta decide which I'm gonna use. And these papers are all half-size sheets. Yep. Trying to turn them over to show you the different patterns. And then there's a vellum, a sticker sheet, two little quote cards. This one says Hocus Pocus, and this is a mantle with some cuteness. And I did this because, of course, there's like a Fiona skeleton. There's two little clips, which these are just so cute. That is a purple hat. I always tend to rip my card to get them off easier. I'm gonna just clip it on there. That background's a little busy, you can't necessarily tell. This one you may be able to tell better. A little hat, and then we have the little black spider. Too cute. And then we have a spider charm, which I will put on the spine of my planner. Of the die cuts, which are a Fiona Witch, Hocus Pocus, what I'm calling Fiona as a skeleton, Witch Please, and a little mantle. And last but not least would be the washi. Because, oh my goodness, seriously, I love this. I love this washi. I want to keep all the washi for myself and just use it everywhere. Okay, I'm kidding. That's a lot of washi usage, but okay, so what I'm going to do is just decide and jump in to making, get rid of all my little trashy pieces, making a dashboard, and I have no idea what I want to use. It's all so cute. I really am drawn to these pumpkins, and I love the Fiona, but these pumpkins, for some reason, oh, this is cute too. This would be cute right in the front when you open it up. Oh, yep. That's the winning ticket. Okay, here is my final flip through. I have the spider charm on the spine and my dash sleeve, my clips with my 2018 monthly planner. This sticker kit is from Design Pandemonium, and my weekly, which I use the Dutch store style daily with hourly, and the other half of my dash sleeve, my sassy insert, which I did stamp a page and get ready, and then I have my to-do insert with a clip, and this insert, which matches the cover, is from our Tula line. A fabric insert, which holds my Kindle, and then I need to get a jump band and add these to it. The bills and budget, also from Tula, and 2019 monthly, because I need to start writing stuff down for next year. Spider clip, the Spider Pen Gems pen from last year, and the cover from Tula 12, which spells out, it's the Roman numeral, tulaxii.com. And that is my Halloween setup.